Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Wells Fargo's third quarter 2024 earnings call in under 5 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Wells Fargo reported solid third quarter results for 2024, with net income of $5.1 billion and diluted earnings per share of $1.42. The company's revenue sources have become more diverse, with fee-based revenue growing 16% during the first 9 months of the year, largely offsetting net interest income headwinds. Key financial highlights include a return on equity of 11.7% and a return on tangible common equity of 13.9%, both up from the previous quarter. The company's CET1 ratio improved to 11.3%, well above the regulatory minimum. Wells Fargo continues to focus on efficiency, with expenses down from both the second quarter and a year ago. Headcount has declined for 17 consecutive quarters, now down 20% since the third quarter of 2020. Average loans declined from the second quarter as the company maintained strong credit standards and focused on returns over volume. However, the credit card portfolio saw growth for the 13th consecutive quarter. Deposits in customer-facing businesses continued to grow, enabling the reduction of higher-cost Treasury deposits. The company has started to reduce deposit pricing in response to recent Fed rate cuts. Both consumer and commercial customers have remained resilient. In wholesale businesses, credit performance improved from the second quarter. The office market remains weak, but Wells Fargo maintains strong allowance coverage for potential losses. Consumer charge-offs declined from the second quarter, driven by lower losses in the credit card portfolio. Overall, customers in consumer businesses continue to hold up well, benefiting from a strong labor market and wage growth. Looking ahead, Wells Fargo expects fourth quarter 2024 net interest income to be roughly in line with the third quarter, implying an approximately 9% decline in full-year 2024 net interest income compared to 2023. The company believes it is close to the trough in net interest income. Full-year 2024 non-interest expense is still expected to be approximately $54 billion, unchanged from previous guidance. Wells Fargo continues to make progress on its strategic priorities, including risk and control work, which remains the top priority. The company is moving forward with confidence in completing the required work, including what is mandated under the recent formal agreement with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency. The company is also focusing on growing its credit card business, with nearly 2 million new credit card accounts open this year. Investments in consumer, small, and business banking are starting to generate growth, with net check accounts growing for 3 consecutive quarters. Wells Fargo continues to attract experienced leaders, including a new head of technology and key hires in investment banking and corporate banking. The company is maintaining a strong capital position, with $3.5 billion of common stock repurchased in the third quarter and $15.6 billion repurchased during the first 3 quarters of 2024. Overall, Wells Fargo's results demonstrate progress in transforming the company and improving returns. While challenges remain, particularly in areas like commercial real estate, the company is well-positioned to navigate the current economic environment and continue its strategic transformation. That wraps up our recap of Wells Fargo's third quarter 2024 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns from Earnings Central coming your way.